我哋今年係第4屆嘅，咁係一個水彩展啦。今年嘅題目叫做擁抱未來。點解會係擁抱未來呢？其實我哋好希望喺透過呢個畫展，鼓勵一啲朋友仔，尤其是咧覺得個世界點解咁多戰爭啊？經濟唔係好好喎。咁其實只要我哋大家互相勉勵，同埋多啲出嚟傾偈，咁就可以有多啲正能量咧去我哋要有力量向前嘅。咁所以希望透過呢個畫展咧，去鼓勵大家向前啦。同埋因為咧呢個展覽其實我哋嘅期望係希望用藝術去影響生命，亦都係因為藝術，我哋可以將唔同嘅人去 connect。
咁今日都好彩啦，可以同Join啦去嘗試去做一個合作啦。咁我哋就喺一個展覽出邊提供一個飲品。其實我覺得呢個都係係一個好好嘅 collaboration 嚟嘅，因為其實陳皮都算係一個傳統文化嘅嘢啦，其實係好耐之前已經留低。咁佢嘅工藝啊，同埋佢嘅生產咧，係同時間有關，都同今次嘅一個擁抱未來嘅主題其實好有關係咯，我覺得。
今日嘅係示範性嘅表演嘅，所以時間短。如果畫得太耐咧，就唔係好適合啦。咁所以我採用嘅咧就係一個大塊面嘅手法嚟畫，而咧塊面嘅話咧就要用刷同埋大筆啦。而呢支筆咧，佢俾到我一啲驚喜嘅就係佢個筆膽好大，筆尖好細，所以咧喺畫大塊面嘅時候咧，我可以咁樣通過嘅筆膽去刷。例如呢啲樹咧，就係用呢支筆用個側鋒刷出嚟嘅。咁而呢啲尖嘅地方咧，又可以嚟畫啲樹枝嘅，所以呢一支筆就搞掂晒樹嘅黑白啦。
We are delighted to be here. This is the first art exhibition we've been to in Hong Kong with artists that are using our brushes. We're excited to be here. And right here, he's got a nice little set of some of our best-selling brushes. This is black velvet. You may have heard of that. Black velvet comes in a lot of different shapes and sizes. It's very unique. It's perfect for watercolors. And we've been selling this brush into the watercolor market for more than 35 years. And has proven to be one of the best-selling watercolor brushes in the world. And we're very excited about that.
Well, I would just point out that this is the original, and Joyen Art has the original black velvet, the actual authentic black velvet. There are a lot of copycats out there, but you do want to get the original from Joyen Art.
開幕典禮咧，而家正式開始，都好多謝咁多位參加者可以抽空過嚟我哋呢一度。
我哋呢個展覽咧有一個特色，唔係你畫得好靚先嚟參加，係只要你中意玩，只要你中意藝術，其實我哋都好希望邀請大家一齊嚟玩。我成日都用個玩字，係輕鬆啲，大家互相交流，就係呢個目的咯。